Okay, hello fellas and welcome guys. I hope everybody's doing good tonight, and if you're not, let's try to make your night for you. And this is pretty unique, guys. This is the first break I've ever seen on eBay of somebody doing like this. So it should be pretty interesting for us, guys. I sold it by the weight class, and here's the list of the weight class. And guys, if you have any questions or if you need help with anything, just shoot me a message, man. I'll be more than happy to help. All the cards are going to ship, guys. And being this is the first time that something's going on like this, if we get like non-fighter cards, I'll probably end up rounding them off at the end, fellas. But enough about that. I'm pretty excited here, guys. Like I said, first time it's being tried. So let's rock and roll, guys. We should have 4 hits. Best of luck to everybody. And we'll get to it, fellas. Good luck. Yeah. Empty box, guys. All right, and let me just go through these quick, fellas, and hack the tops off. I always like to do that so I don't damage the cards. And it's probably going to be a little bit of a longer break too, fellas. All the cards. I'll go through them fairly quickly because all cards will be shipped. So I'll stop at the hits and, relevant cards and stuff like that. But thanks, guys, for your purchases. Like I said, man, I didn't see anybody do this yet. So if you could message me after the break also, letting me know what you thought of it, that would be fantastic. Hopefully we can get some burners here tonight, guys. And I don't know, I guess you are all pretty avid MMA fans. I am myself. I haven't gone to any events this year, but I've been to a ton and have lots of memorabilia and all. So maybe, I mean, if this takes, we'll see what else I can get going. And of course, check out current breaks too, guys. I have a baseball up, Bowman Chrome. All teams starting at 99 cents. And that'll end Monday night. All right, guys. Here we go. And like I said, guys, I'll go through them fairly quick. All right, guys. We got Campman, Diego Sanchez. And, guys, it does have their weight class on the back of the card and the front, I believe, too. But, like I said, I'll go through them. And if you have any questions, Escudero. Okay, Forrest Griffin. Check that out. Light heavyweight he'll be going to. Come on, Forrest. There we go. Very nice. Marcus Jones. This way. We got Big Country. Highlight reel. Hardy versus Markham. I believe they're both, they're both going to be welterweights. So that'll go to welterweights, guys. And we got Stan versus Wallace. They will be, let's see what they have them on here as. I know they fought at 205 and middleweight, so I'll look that up, guys. And we'll see what it says on the checklist. Okay, Melvin Gillard, Darmise Johnson, Chris Tokisher. Oh, cool, guys. Check this out. Boz Rutan. Very nice. He's a beast, guys. Very nice. Octagon Honor. Boss man. And Boss fought at light heavyweight. Chet Congo. There's no mistake in his weight class, ain't? There's Silva and Griffin. George St. Pierre. And Koscheck versus Thiago. Bringing it in here, guys. Come on. There we go. Dan Miller, man. He's a versatile fighter. Ken Flo. Didn't see him in a while. Koscheck. And these cards are pretty cool, guys. This is going to be Liddell versus Randy Couture. Oh, that was a great fight, man. At light heavyweight. And it's not numbered. Cool looking card though, man. And we got Schoenever. Tough finale. Madsen. Gilbert Yvel. Wow, big rig. Big rig. Johnny Hendricks. Rashad. And our first hit, Chris Chokesher. I believe he's heavyweight, guys. Let's take a look. Yep. Heavyweight. Oh, cool, guys. We got a redemption here, too, it looks like. Then we got, oh, a Jens Pulver, Little Evil. Very nice. And a redemption. Wow, Michael the Count Bisping. Very nice. Come on. Very nice, man. Nice hit. Two nice hits there, man. Hodge. Kratz. Oh, these are the tap out dudes. And Munoz. Okay, guys. Lieben, man. He was a beast, wasn't he? He can take it and give it, man. Krzysztof Szyzinski. Soteropoulos, the Australian. And we have a... Oh, check that out. George St. Pierre doing the Kimura. Pretty cool looking. Very nice. Very nice. Who do we got here? Hard Knock, Patrick the Predator Cote, Joe Lazone, and Rivera. Bring it in here. Come on, camera, work with me here. I'll get it to focus. Oh, that's Chael Sonnen. Very nice. Dustin Hazlitt, Evan Dunham, and, oh, sweet, man, Lyoto. Bloodlines card. Very nice. Let's see what they have him listed as. I believe he's middleweight on this, guys. Yep. Lyoto. Cool. Lytle. Machida versus Evans. Hey, there's a ring card girl. Mark Ogard, referee. Nice. Little ref action in there. Little ring girl. Still looking for, I guess, at least 2 more hits, right, guys? Remember Baroni, man. He was a beast. Little Heathen. Steven. Paulo Tiago. And Hughes versus Penn. Cool, man. Very nice. Is that numbered? Nope. Cool card, though. Mario Morena. And we have Brad Blackburn. What's this? Joe Rogan. Nice. Mike Guman. UFC debut. Oh, there he is. There he is. The Croatian sensation. Carlos Condit, the natural born killer, man. Matt Hughes. And another Little Evil. Jens Pulver. Not numbered. Jackson Jardine. Ed Herman. Anthony Hardnock. Winner. Andre Winner. Okay. There's Elliot Marshall. Croder. Rampage. The Pride Chicks, man. Very nice. The Pride Chicks. Ooh, Gomi. Taranaka Gomi, man. Joey Beltran. There's Stitch. There's Stitch. Who else? Emerson. Rob Emerson. Still looking for at least 2 more hits, guys, I believe. We got the Bisping. That was pretty cool. All right, that's Marcus Davis, guys. Hoist Gracie. Our next hit. Look who it is, guys. Ace. Very nice. Rich Ace Franklin. Awesome. And in this, guys, he's light heavyweight. Nice autograph card, though, man. Very nice for Rich. Cool hit, man. John Jones. Oh, this is probably close to his rookie, right? When did he come in? Not numbered. Who do we got there? Cutman. Spencer the King Fisher. Tap out. TJ Grant. And Frank Twinkletoes Trigg. Cool hit so far, guys. Let's keep them rolling, huh? Tito. Nate. Brock Lesnar. And a Rampage insert. Very nice. Pride and Glory. Nice card, man. These cards are really cool. There's Buff. Wallace. Dong Hong Kim. Bammer. Let's see here. There's the A-Train. Sam Stout. That's Miller, it looks like. Yep, Jim Miller. And these cards look awesome, guys. The fight card cards, these are cool, man. This is Arlovsky and Ortiz and Shamrock. Very cool looking cards, man. Very nice. Lieben. Ben Killaby. Roberts. Who do we got last here? There's the champ. Wow. Anderson. Yep, this way, I guess. Here we go. There's the Terror. Matt Serra. Ross Pearson. Bloodline. Struve. Not numbered. And it's going to be a hit, guys. Oh, check that out, guys. Nate the Great. Marquardt. Cool looking card. I wonder what weight class they have him listed as here. Very nice. We'll check it out right now. 2-color. Ooh, it's numbered to 99 too, guys. Very nice. In a situation like this, guys, we will do, since it's not listed here as weight class, I know he bounced around between middleweight and welterweight. We will go to the longest tenured weight class, if that's okay with everybody. I think that would make the most sense, since it's not on the card here. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely not on the card. But like I said, guys, I'll look that up, and I'll get back. It's either going to be a welterweight or middleweight. There's Dos Santos. Gomi. John Howard. I think that's 4 hits. Who knows, though? Silva. We got Congo. Paul Harris. Bloodlines. Gilbert Yville. Bloodlines from the Netherlands. Very nice. Not numbered. Nick Quarry. James Tahuna. Dana White. Jacob Volkman. There's Rumble. What a surge he's having, right? 2 fights back, and he's already, I think, in the top 5 now. Frankie Edgar. Joe Stevenson. What is this? The Proving Ground. Ultimate Fighting Championship. Call your local. This is just an advertisement, I think, guys. Yep. Proving Ground. Natural Born Killer, Kevin Mulhall. That referee's kind of creepy, isn't he? Sweeney, winning. Last pack, guys. Thank you guys for joining me. We did get some really cool hits in here. And like I said, if you don't mind, if you get a minute, I'd like to, hear your feedback on everything. And I'll look these cards up too, guys. The ones with the no weight class, those hits there. Mark Coleman. And check out that current break too, guys. It's the 2014, the Bowman Chrome. Ricardo Almeida. Wow, I forgot about that guy. And we have Jackson versus Jardine. That would be a light heavyweight insert. Very nice. Very nice. There's the man. Uncle Dana. Funch. Seaver. Camus. Chico Camus. Okay, guys, that does it for tonight. Like I said, if you have any questions or need help with anything, guys, just shoot me a message. All these will be shipped, guys. Every single card is getting shipped. I got a couple cards to look up there, and I will keep everybody informed. Thank you so much, guys. Be sure to check out current and future auction, guys, and let me know what you think, man. Hit me up with a message if you get time. Thank you, guys, for all purchases, and have a wonderful night.